Lee here. It's, you know, it's the 13th, and it's still snowing, and the snow is so heavy that it actually caused one of the trees on campus to fall over. Yeah. That much snow in under a day. Like, that's in like 12 hours or so. So, yeah, it's really, really snowy right now. When I said bring it on, Mother Nature, this is exactly what I was talking about. And guess what? You didn't do good enough. Bring it harder. I dare you. Okay, actually don't, because that would be weird, but yeah. Good job. Nice effort, Mother Nature. I one-hand clap. I one-handedly applaud your effort. Try harder next time, maybe. Just kidding. The first snowman of the year.